Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine Silva, and I make videos all about business, finance, beauty, and organization. So if you like those type of jam, if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Let me go ahead and turn off my fan. I forgot to do that before I started. Today's video is going to be all about my bag. This is an organization bag type of video. I've noticed that I haven't made one since December, and I've changed up my bag since then. This is a YSL bag. I don't really know this style. I had actually bought this months ago for my birthday. I think I bought it back maybe in January of this year. Or maybe even, yeah, I think maybe like January, February of this year. And I told myself that I'd buy this bag for me for my birthday, and my birthday's in August, which just passed. So it was, I bought it very early on, and I'm finally getting around to using it. And this is in no way of trying to show off that I have a YSL bag or anything in that matter. I've worked really hard for everything that I've gotten in my life, so this is in no way of trying to show off or anything. So if this video comes off to you as that, please log off. That just means that this video is not for you. But yeah, so I'm really excited. I finally get to bust this baby out. I've been having it in its little dust bag, and so I want to show you guys how I organize it and what it is that I have inside. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. It comes with a little crossbody, so it's long strapped. It has this little tassel, obviously the YSL, what's it called, the emblem, and then this is just how it is in the back. It just says Saint Laurent Paris. So I really like this bag. It's black. It's very functional for everyday use. And then not only that, but I've said this, I think, in my other video, my Gucci bag, when I first bought that one, that I liked it a lot because it was very discreet. So as you can tell, this doesn't scream YSL. Like if I were to just have it like this, you guys would never know it was YSL other than just the label that's right here. So if I want to be out, I want to show off the bag, I could always just, you know, flip it to the side where it says YSL. And if I really don't want to, I could just flip it to this side, and unless someone's really close and reads this, then you'll never know it's a YSL bag. So it's very discreet. I really like that about this bag. I actually bought it at the YSL outlet. So let's get inside this little bag. So it does like clip off like that. And then it just has its little zipper right here. It's a gold detailing zipper. Look at that. And so this is what you currently see on the inside. So we're gonna start off with my wallet. This is the wallet that I'm currently using. This is a little Coach bag wallet wristlet that my sister gave me for Christmas, I believe it was. And I think it's really cute. I think it pops out in the black bag just because it's white. It pops out and you can see the contrast of the two. So when I'm digging in here, you know, I can easily find it in there. And then it just has all of my cards and whatnot and cash. I'm not gonna go through exactly, obviously, my cards and stuff, but you know, it's a wallet. It has wallet things. This is really cute. Okay. Another thing that I have in my bag are obviously the masks. We're still dealing with COVID as of right now. So if you're watching this in the future, this was COVID time where we had to use masks. So this is Ian's little bubble mask. And then this one is mine. I need to wash them just because it's a little dirty from the makeup that I put on. But yeah, these are the masks that we currently use. And I don't put them in a bag or anything. I just toss them in there. Another thing that I have in here is my little AirPods. Let me just keep that off to the side. So this is the little AirPod case that actually came in a different little bag. I think this was more for a for like coins and stuff like that. but I took it off and I used it for my AirPods just because they fit really perfectly in here. They're dead right now, so I need to charge them, and they're a little bit dirty. They're dead, they're dirty, I need to clean them, but I like to keep it inside this little bag. Like I said, I don't think it was meant for AirPods because my mom bought it for me, bought that little bag in Mexico, and I don't think they had the intention of making an AirPod case to their purse. I think it was just supposed to be more for the coins, but you know, I reused it in a different way, so it's getting its use out of it. And then I love that it has a little keychain, so that I can either clip it to the bag, clip it to my keys and whatnot. So there's that. Another thing that I have in this bag is chapstick, just because my lips get chapped all the stinking time, so I always need to have chapstick. And a pen. This is the Sharpie S Gel. You guys see these in my plan with me videos. These are my favorite ones. Funny enough, actually, funny story about these pens. Once upon a time, I was just chilling on my bed watching TikToks, and someone mentioned these pens, talking about how amazing of a quality it was. And so, being me and being impulsive me, I was like, I need to go run out and get these pens because I want to try them out, because supposedly had the best glide ever. So I was like, oh my gosh, I need to go out, I need to find these pens, I need to try it out, just because I love pens and I like writing with pens that are easily glide and don't skip or anything like that, because that's the most annoying thing, is when you're writing and the pen skips. So I go out, I think I went to 3 different stores, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go to Staples and look for them. Went to Staples, I found them, and then immediately in the car, I ripped open the packaging and I grabbed the receipt that I paid with, that they gave me after I paid, and I just started writing on it. I was like, oh my gosh, these pens are amazing. And so now I have a whole drawer full of them, and I don't think I'll ever go back. So if you guys haven't tried these pens, I recommend to go out to your local Walmart, Target, or Staples to pick these bad boys up. Very good. And then last but not least, in this little bag, I don't really like to keep a lot of stuff inside my bag, just because I don't want to overflow it with too many things. So this is the inside of the bag. As you can tell, I just have one little receipt in here, but I don't really have anything other than just like this little card that it comes with, which it's still in its packaging. But other than that, like, the bag is in really good condition. Oh my gosh, for it being an outlet bag, I really like it. Okay, so that's that bag. This is a little Estee Lauder bag that I guess you get with the gift with purchase. I think me and my sister may have thrifted this. I don't really remember. I just remember that it got passed around in the family, meaning between me and my mom and my sister. I think maybe my sister thrifted it and then gave it to my mom, and then when I saw it in my mom's room, I was like, oh my gosh, that's a really cute little bag, and so I grabbed it and I started using it. So it's been passed around, and I'm currently using it. So like I said, I think this is a little Estee Lauder like gift set, and I think it was like from the 90s or something, just because the little tassel looks really old and it has like the Estee Lauder symbol. So I'm guessing it's been a while with this bag, so I can't link it or anything just because we thrifted this. But inside here, I just keep little odds and ends, and I will show you. So the first thing that I have in here is this Dose of Color liquid lip. I like to put the lipsticks that I'm currently using for the day, just so I can be able to reapply them throughout the day. So this is the Dose of Colors. This one is in Bittersweet, and it's just a really pretty red, just Marilyn Monroe red lip. So I have that. And then I also have this Rodin lipstick. This is called Red Hetty. This I think is owned by Estee Lauder. It's like a luxury what's it called, brand. They have like their own skincare, and I think they're going out of business, because I actually found this at Marshall's, and I haven't let me zoom you guys in. So I found this brand in Marshall's, And I love trying new brands. Like, I love going the unconventional way when it comes to like name brands, because everyone knows like Dose of Color, Too Faced, Urban Decay, and whatnot. So when I find a brand that I haven't like seen before or tried before, I get really excited because I'm like, ooh, something that not everyone has used. And when I saw this was actually a luxury lipstick, like it came from a luxury brand, I was even more enticed because I had Googled it, and they were actually going out of business. So I had to pick it up. It was, I think it was only $8, and I think they were still selling some lipsticks on Sephora for maybe about 40 bucks. So from 40 to $8, I got a good deal. This is why I love shopping at Marshall's. But this is such a really pretty, like I said, Marilyn Monroe red, gorgeous shade. They had other colors too, but this is the only one that I liked the most. I wanted to get a color that I would actually wear and not just waste money just to waste money. So I have that, and then I also have this little cute perfume. This is the Dulce by Dolce & Gabbana. This came in like a little set of perfumes that I got for Christmas this past year. So I like to keep this just so I can like reapply throughout the day, and it smells so delicious. Oh my gosh. And it's such a cute little like bottle too. It's adorable. Adorbs. And then last but not least, oh, two more things. I have these little hair accessories. This is my little scrunchie. Just if I have my hair down and it's just getting on my last nerve, I can just grab my scrunchie and just put it on. And then I also have this little cute decorative hair clip. I don't know if you guys ever like use these type of things like when you were little. This little machinery right here. I remember having hair clips in my hair and my mom putting these stuff in, and it would always hurt my head when she would try to like clip it in, because she would have to press it down and it would hurt my head. So I think it just gives me flashbacks of when my mom used to do my hair for school and stuff. And because I don't really put a lot of hair accessories in my hair, I bought some. Obviously this is why I have this. I bought this from Shein, and it just like brought back so many memories of like, oh, I remember when my mom used to put little hair clips like this in my hair when I was little. But anyways, that was the little bag. It's super cute. I think we may have bought this for like 50 cents. Don't remember. It was probably even from a yard sale too. Who knows? But with that being said, that was the whole organization. Like I said, I don't really keep a lot inside my little bag here, but I will refill it back, everything inside, just, and I will do this in speed time. Alright guys, so that was it for my bag organization and what's in my bag video. So if you like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload. And follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.